Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 6th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, on the Kiwi dollar, I mean, it definitely looks like a pretty nice little five-way pattern up. The market likes to move in five-wave and three-way patterns, so it does make sense to me that this would go down today and not at the non-farm payroll news that we got coming out in a couple hours. The question is whether it's going to be a big impulsive move down that goes down and takes out these lows, and then maybe next week or the week after we continue the uptrend, or whether it's going to be a much smaller move down, maybe just like a three-way pattern to the five waves up and then continue the uptrend from there. I'm definitely thinking that it's going to be just a pullback to the five waves and then probably next week sometime and then continuing the uptrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on there, which actually, now we look at it, it's probably not in the best place. Let's put this from here to here. And if we get one, two, three waves down, if we get a Fibonacci bounce, then we have to keep in mind that all the higher time frames are in an uptrend. So three waves down, Fibonacci bounce, I definitely would take it as a long opportunity again. Even though it looks like we are due for a pullback, if we're really in that big wave three on the weekly time frame, then it doesn't have to make a big pullback. On the other hand, if it does go down and break structure to the downside, then after the structure break, I would wait patiently for a three-way pullback, and then I would go short at the end of a three-way pullback, potentially for the continuation of the down move, which I think if that's going to happen, it's probably just going to be a wave C, like I showed on the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching, and happy trading.